Yeah.
Okay, kids, this is my Ingrid YouTube video. Okay, so we're doing. Okay, we got records. Come on.
I try it and I like it. And I can use it.
Just that.
Smoking crack activation.
And then you just one more thing.
The euphoria delivered by the first hit from a
So who do you like the version? This is only just one thing.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we have a red one. Now.
Agree.
Here we have the bluebird, which the bluebird with black bomb, white bird. Okay, now we're going to the pig. Here's the pig of the crown. It's like the king of all the pigs.
Yeah.
And this is the regular green pig, the regular green pig. Here's the ferocious yellow one. And here's the Halloween pig. And this pig goes.
Oop.
And here's the Halloween yellow bird. Pig in the can. He's got that's the purple. And this is purple. And up here it's open. And right here it's cracked. Next thing is we have this. And came on this lid I also bought extra box that's
Hey, I see.
And here we have the yellow bird pea and bluebird and pig with pea. And okay, these are very special right here. These are
Keychains.
keychain birds. They clip onto your book bag and that. Okay. We have a yellow bird. He's mad. Bluebird. Very good.
He's my favorite. Actually, Black Bomb's my favorite.
Here's the green pig. Okay, and another clip-on bird. And a red clip-on bird.
18 months.
Okay.
18 months. That was the best feeling.
We got some stuff.
You're in the way of the video.
This is a big back Angry Bird. Just stand back and
Ooh, jackpot.
yeah, go over to the side and go.
Alright, cool.
And we got the over and black. And for Christmas, I got Angry puzzle right
Let's see his
here.
puzzle. Did you put that together?
Yeah. See, we have a bluebird right here. Bluebird. It's set right here. It says Angry Bird.
Cool.
Screenshot. Wood down here, and we got someone got the eggs. The pig steal the eggs from the birds.
Alright.
And we got the black one, red bird, and two bluebirds.
What's your favorite Angry Bird before we cut the video off? You got all these.
Oh, great.
Uh-oh. Like some birds are flowing.
Big red bird.
Big red?
Yeah, the giant red bird over here.
Alright, say goodbye to everybody.
Bye. Kiss my YouTube video. See you. Bye.